Hello my loves, today we are going to unbox a new pair of shoes. It's been a while since I did one of this unboxing review type video. I think the last one I did was probably my my Levi bag, or I can't remember, but it's been a while. And you guys like this type of video because they actually do tend to do very well. So we're going to unbox, we will review, and we will try and we will style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sit back, chill, let's have a chit chat, let's let's do all of the fun stuff. But before we get into it, guys, I'm gonna pop some jewelry on because without jewelry it feels so naked without jewelry. Earrings, we're gonna go for this pearly number. I think because it's finally like warm and it feels like summer, I just feel like pearls kind of do something. And this blue, this lapis blue stone as well, just screams summer. They're so cute. I also have a ring on with the same lapis stone. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm wearing a very simple necklace because I want the earrings to do all the work. Okay, this is good. I think I like this. It's nice and simple. Anyway guys, before we get into it, if you're new on this channel, my name is Banke. On here we talk mostly about fashion, bits and bobs of beauty, a touch of lifestyle, and anything else in between because we are multifaceted over here. And if you're returning, hey, welcome back to my channel. Okay, like I said, we are going to start off with the unboxing. These are the Ferragamo Vidya pumps. They're the ones with the wedges. I tried them on, guys. I was in love. But the only thing is I didn't want a black one. Yeah, these I hunted down so much. To be honest, I think they're sold out almost everywhere, because even when I went in the store to try on the black one, I was like, guys, I'm looking for not the black, not the red. The reason why I held out so much was because I wanted to get them for my birthday, so it's more special if I bought them closer to my birthday. And I think, yeah, like I said, I kind of snooze. But yeah, as luck would have it, I saw a personal shopper that I follow on Instagram saying that she had them, and I just knew, I was like, this is meant to be. The fact that I thought I had missed out on them, and boom, like literally a few days after my birthday they turned up. I was like, it's meant to be. Anyway guys, I'm rambling. So I got it off on I got it from Classless. So Classless is like a luxury sourcing type of service. I think that's the best I would describe it. And usually you get like designer or luxury goods for really good price. So yeah, this I got for like a very decent price. Anyway, these are the shoes. Oh my god. So this is I think it's calf skin. I'll double check on that. So the height of the heel is 10.5. I've tried them on. They are super comfortable. So I just didn't want to do an unboxing, and I stare away from just doing unboxing without doing any reviews, because it's not beneficial in any way for you guys if you just see me unwrap a pair of shoes and I'm like, oh, look at my pretty shoe. So that's why I like to do a review, so you know what you're getting. If you're interested, it helps you as well make a decision. When I was looking online for a review of the shoe, there was just nothing. Like, I saw a number of unboxing, I saw a few styling, like people styling them, but I actually didn't see anything else. And I know everyone's opinion or whatever will be different, but this reviews are actually good because, you know, it answers questions if you're really interested. Anyway, the snout is snouting, like a really snouting. I need to be careful with this toe, because you know what happens when you keep like knocking the front of your shoe all the time? It starts to wear out, especially when the snout is this snouty. So I think I need to be very mindful of that. I intend to wear this as sort of like my everyday not really everyday, but like part of like my everyday kind of like shoe. So I'm staring away from buying like shoes that, you only wear like once in a while, like occasional shoes. I've got a number of those and I don't wear them that often. So now I'm kind of just leaning into shoes that I can utilize, shoes that I can wear all the time, shoes that suits my personal style, like everyday style. And I think this would completely do that. I like that they're not black. I like that they're not plain. I feel like my outfits in general, like what I wear a lot of solid colors, like a lot of plain clothes. So things like this actually brings in that pattern sometimes that I need in my outfits to just elevate it. So I was so keen on the leopard print. Like I didn't want a plain color. I knew I didn't want a plain color. If I would have gone for any plain color, it would have been a red. But if you look at my shoe video, you'd see that I have a number of red shoes. I've got the red Manolo, I've got a red Valentino, I've got this red shoe from Zara. So I do have a number of red shoes. I'm like a magnet to anything red, let's be honest. So this is such a beautiful addition to my collection. I am so chuffed with them. It feels smooth on the floor as well, like standing in them. Oh my gosh, they're comfortable. They are super comfortable. Also, Ferragamo do the shoes in US sizes. I got a size 8.5. Usually I'm a size 39, 39.5. So I would say they're true to size. If 8.5 is equivalent of a 39.5, I would say they're true to size. But I would have thought I would have been like a size 9 or size 9.5, like European 9.5. But anyway, so just be mindful when you're looking at Ferragamo shoes that the sizing is in US sizing. But yeah, let's do some styling. So we're doing some spring summer styling with the shoe in this video. What I'm currently wearing is a black top. This is an old top from Zara and a skirt from Zara as well. Guys, bubble hem. I'm leaning into that and I'm loving it at the moment. But yes, see how this shoe just literally elongates my legs with this skirt. Like I am loving the silhouette. It feels playful, but at the same time it feels intentional. I like the playfulness of the skirt and how that the shoe just kind of brings something into it. Like I said, I wear a lot of solid or plain colors, like a black and white outfit with the leopard prints just elevating it, and it really does stand out with this outfit. I think this is a very nice, sophisticated but casual summer look. Next look, sticking to the same top. I like doing this on this channel so you guys can see how you can mix and match the pieces in your wardrobe. I'm pairing this with this trousers from H&M. Again, very solid colors, but this is a pair of cream trousers and you can see how the cream literally picks on the brownie beigey tones in the shoe. I'm literally just looking at myself now and I'm like, I am obsessed with this. This is something I would actually wear to work. I think the only thing I could do differently with this outfit is wear different jewelry and accessorize like in a different way. But absolutely, I love leopard print with like earthy tones. I think that's absolutely my jam. So next up, I wanted to try something a little bit different out of my comfort zone with print clashing. I know animal prints of different animal types are kind of trending at the moment. I love animal print and I'm really loving snake print at the moment. So I wanted to just kind of like play around with this. So with a leopard print shoe, a snake print shirt, keeping the skirts a solid color because we don't want too much going on. Again, I like the earthy tones going on here. The creams and the beige and the browns just kind of like complementing each other. Next, we're going very classic with this 3/4 length jeans. Guys, you know there's no styling without a pair of jeans on my channel. I'm a jeans girl. This is such a classic look as well. Like I absolutely would wear this literally every day. I think this is what I would probably tend to gravitate towards, like on a casual day. This is a casual day for me. I would absolutely wear this to brunch, to see friends. I would wear this to work as well. I mean, this shoe really are going to be very hardworking, and they make such a good focal point as well in your outfits because everyone is gonna look, okay, she looks nice. Oh, wedges, oh that's different. Oh, leopard prints, that's different. And I think that's one of the reasons why I like, I always said this on my channel, I like to bring in a little bit of sprinkle. These shoes are my sprinkle when I wear an outfit, and I'm literally here for it. I'm here for that sprinkle. Next up is something that I think pretty much everyone would have in their wardrobe: a simple white shirt and a denim skirt, all white for summer. guys. You see what we're going here, all white for summer. But then again, bringing in the shoes, it's just bringing something different. It's taking it from I'm a regular to I am a stylish, you know, guys, can you see it? I'm absolutely loving this. I wanted to bring in a dress as well into this styling. This is a simple, neat dress. Again, it's something I think a lot of people either have or might have something similar in your wardrobe, but this is such a nice look. You can go to brunch with this outfit, you can go on a date in this outfit. It's kind of dressy but not too dressy. I would say this is more of like an effortless dressy vibe. It's still casual, still very earthy, but it's so elevated, and I live for outfits like this. I live for effortless outfits. I live for outfits that people see and they just know that okay, she's bringing something without trying too hard. And yeah, this outfit literally screams that. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. If you've enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on my other social media platforms on Instagram, Twitter. I'll leave all the links you need in the description box below. And until next time guys, bye.